Hi, get your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But see what a tough week we are from actually with the trending news of the end of the relationship between Hungani and Stephanie Ndlovu Bandla. This one really did shock us as Umzansi because we were not expecting it. I mean, they've been married for like 5 years, but and they were blessed with a beautiful girl. People were wondering, ukuthi, "Hayi bandla, kwenzakaleni?" Rumors had it that allegedly the husband decided ukuyokokota kaMakhi, and then that was the end of their relationship allegedly. But a statement was released. Would like to take a moment and to address the speculation surrounding our relationship. After much thought, reflection, and conversations, we have mutually decided to part ways and end our marriage. While we had hoped to share the news at a time that felt right for us, the unfortunate early release by the media has prompted us to speak sooner than we had planned. Though our marriage is ending, our friendship it's not. We are committed to showing up as a united team for our daughter, raising her with the same care and intention and joy she has always known. We are incredibly grateful for the love and support you have shown us, especially through the Ndlovu Uncut. You bathandi bomkhosi, hayi bandla ziyakhala impela. During these difficult and personal times, we kindly ask for privacy, grace, and companionship for our family. Kanti kwenzakalani kwezomshado? Ngathi nje kuyaphithizela. Abanye bafuna ukuphuma, abanye bafuna ukungena. Kuningi okwenzakalayo bathandi bomkhosi. Now the poor baby has to navigate the new living environment, hoping that both parents would actually try and invite their baby to this new setup. I bandla divorce. It is always a painful thing, more especially to kids. But eventually they all do get used to the new routines. Angithi bathi kubhetha ukuba nabazali abahlukene nabazali abatoxic abahlala endaweni eyodwa. We just hope that they are going to make it happen and work. That's it for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.